Hi guys, I'm here today with the Cooker King Premium Non-Stick Frying Pan. That's the 11-inch version in white. So of course it's not totally white, but it has some kind of cream marble coating, really nice, some kind of an off-white, and it's made out of safe non-toxic material, which is super important these days. The inside structure is made out of aluminum, so this guarantees some very even heat distribution, and it's perfectly suitable for all kind of stoves like gas, electric, ceramic, and even induction. So it fits also for the later stoves, absolutely no problem. And it comes with a lifetime warranty, and so we can see it comes with this nice pan, comes with a transparent lid, and we get also this very safe Bakelite handle which doesn't heat up. We get also a spatula in pretty much same color, and it comes also with the tool included, so you don't have to be worried about the assembly. We just remove this plastic here, really good protection. I would say the lid is also really nice, good quality glass. Then we have this handle here which is not metal, which is also very safe, and it's very hot. And we have the opening for the steam, and we have this silicone frame here. Yeah, doesn't get much better than that. And so is this silicone, it has a really good fit. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Comes also with a short instructions manual. And here you can see the really nice coating, 8 times non-stick coating layer. And you can hear also that the pan is good quality, massive metal. So the only thing which you have to do here is to untighten the screw here a little bit. And then we slide it in here from the top and secure it again from underneath. You can also use an electric screwdriver with low torque. But at the very end, I highly recommend to give it an extra twist here with this tool. So I think it's now really safe. You can see that. Absolutely no shaking, no nothing. Has a perfect fit. And so I've been using it for a fried egg, and it worked actually not bad, but also not, I would say, exceptional. I mean, everything is really nice. The things don't heat up. This handle is really good. I love it. Also for cleaning, it's really good. Some of these lids collect some water here inside. That has not happened here. It makes a really good, solid impression. Also the handle of the pan itself, I would say, really solid, strong, durable, does not heat up. Even the spatula works really good. What's not so good, that this bottom here is not perfectly flat. I mean, it's really close to flat. I would say it's 99% flat, so I don't have a real problem with it. But the bigger problem is actually inside, because the inside is not totally flat. You can even feel that when you touch it. It's a little bit higher here in the center and goes down a little bit to the side. So when I placed the egg here inside, it was a little bit flowing to this side. And also, even though it was not really sticking, I mean, after it started cooking, it lifted up a little bit on its own, at least from the center here, which is good. But especially at the outside, it was a little bit sticking. I mean, not really sticking, but for the first time usage, it's a little bit disappointing. Usually we can expect a little bit more non-stick at the beginning. Of course, the most important thing is how it will keep up over long time. Will it only be non-stick for a couple of days, weeks, months, or even years? I mean, they give lifetime warranty, what's really good. But I would say it was the pan which sticked the most of all the non-stick pans which I have used till now. Again, not really sticking, but also not like super non-stick or so. Something which I've seen sometimes you use new pan, clean it a little bit, and without any oil. Of course, I have to admit I didn't use any oil, but it's also what I'm doing always. So usually what you can do with normal non-stick like Teflon pans, you can just clean it, heat it up, and put an egg here in the middle. And then after it starts cooking and gets a little bit solid, you can just lift it up and start moving it around, and it will flow around. I mean, not a liquid, but it will just, like, because of the non-stick, it will float around. This is what you can see usually, and that has not happened here. And again, also the shape, which is not totally flat, also underneath not 100% flat. Also something I noticed, it was definitely starting to heat up from the center. Of course, I was just using a very small boiler plate. This is what I've extra done for this test here. Of course, it's easy to heat up evenly when you're using a large boiler plate, so I used a small one, but there was definitely quite some difference between heating up in the center and outside. And what I also noticed is that it took quite some time to heat up. Maybe it's just because it's quite heavy. I mean, it's definitely a solid thing, doesn't have to be a really negative point, but I mean, it makes a good impression. I really love the lid here, the whole thing, the whole design, everything is looking good, makes a solid impression. Also the screw here, really nice, feels really secure. And so I would say you have to decide on your own, and if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And if you want to learn from my long-term experience, then don't hesitate to ask me down in the feedback area. Whenever I find time, I'll try to respond to your questions. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.